Accurate Group of companies are the world leaders in spring manufacturing. This ISO 9001-2008 certified company with immense technical knowledge manufactures more than 5,000 different varieties of springs which find applications in switches to aircraft manufacturing. The well-equipped plant at Vasai, India is fully functional with imported CNC machinery and unparalleled testing facilities to produce world-class springs for domestic and international markets. Established in 1969, Accurate Helical Springs received its first major order from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Larsen & Toubro in the year 1972. Later, in the year 1982, Mahindra & Mahindra joined its clientele. In the year 2005, Accurate Helical Springs marked the introduction of superior grade productivity through computerized numerical control machine, which made them leaders in production of springs of various shapes and sizes in domestic and international markets. Today, Accurate Helical Springs manufactures state-of-the-art compression springs, extension springs, torsion springs, wire form springs, and retaining ring of different sizes for almost every industry. Accurate Helical Springs is proud to be the first choice for our customers when they think of springs. Each type of spring follows an exclusive procedure in the manufacturing cycle. The compression spring is an helical spring that offers resistance to a compressive force applied axially. First wire is coiled by the imported computerized numerical control CNC machine. At Accurate, we manufacture wide range of raw materials of sizes from 0.08 mm to 12.5 mm, be in spring steel, stainless steel, copper enameled wire, etc. in round, flat and square shape. Also, we have special machine to produce compression spring where length is sorted on machine itself and again reset is done on machine if any faulty piece comes. The extension spring, a type of spring designed to support tension or pulling loads. In order to apply the force, special end forms have to be used, either utilizing the formed end coils or special hook. For formation of special hook, we at Accurate have special machine which have robotic arm for this purpose, which holds springs and other hook is formed at second station. The torsion spring. The torsion spring is a spring that works by torsion or twisting. That is, a flexible elastic object that stores mechanical energy when it is twisted. At Accurate Helical Springs, wide ranges of torsion springs are manufactured on CNC machines. The wire is first wound by specialized CNC machine. Then the sensor probes are used to sense the angle of the arm. With high accuracy, every spring angle is measured on machine itself. Wire form springs. Wire form springs are typically parts made from round wire that are bent to have specific angles and length. Copper coils. Copper coils are manufactured from copper enameled wire or bare copper wire in cylindrical or parallel winding shape in single or multiple layer with stripped, tinned or ends used in MCCB or other electrical applications. After coiling of wire on CNC machine, the springs are subjected for further process like heat treatment. This is carried out to reduce the stresses introduced during coiling. For this, we have conveyor furnace and box furnace. The heat treatment is followed by grinding, where the end is made ground flat, reducing the tendency to buckle. Next in line is the short peening process, where the improvements with regard to fatigue strength can be achieved. Quality checking section. We at Accurate Helical Springs have highly qualified engineers for quality testing. The quality testing machines are profile projector. It is used to check critical dimension of spring. Load testing machine. It is used to to check load of compression springs and extension springs. Torque checking machine. It is used to check torque of torsion spring. The quality checking process is succeeded by surface treatment like parkerizing, phosphating, powder coating, silver plating, and many other processes that make polished and strong springs. The polished spring is then transferred to the finished goods store, and from there the material is dispatched to our customers.
Technological enhancement, consistent quality, and out-of-the-way service are the key parameters for the road ahead. We have come a long way from delivering as per the market and exceeding customers' requirement day in and day out. Value addition has been our core focus as we are associated with the best multinationals in the market.
We are surrounded by a host of machines from morning to evening. Most of them are as simple as a watch and some as complex as a washing machine. Accurate is at the heart of most of the machines that make life comfortable. Accurate Helical Springs has been proudly associated with some of the best known brands from around the world and has created a reputation in the domestic market by providing import substitute springs. Accurate Helical Springs has also been able to satisfy the demands of international clients with the same dedication and commitment for which it is popular in the domestic markets, where they carve their market in the Gulf countries, China, Germany, and Kenya. Accurate Helical Springs was part of the exhibition held in Germany, Hannover Messe, and Paris, Mid-Est. A prestigious member of the Springs Technology UK, Accurate Helical Springs is also NSIC CRISIL accredited company for small-scale industries. Accurate Helical Springs has been acknowledged as the silver supplier twice by L&T. Accurate Helical Springs aims at boosting customer confidence by enhancing productivity, efficiency, and reliability, thereby enriching customer experience. Accurate Helical Springs invests in the journey of its employee, not merely by offering growth in role or designation, but offers the avenue for personal development in terms of skill enhancement and knowledge enrichment. We at Accurate Helical Springs ensure that our talented team functions as a family and delivers world-class products that satisfy customers throughout the world, and hence define the spring industry by our brand value and 500 crore diversified group by 2020.